Hey, so it's day 2. We're working away in the kitchen. I'll show you guys a shot after. Ignore my hair. I haven't washed it in like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 days, and it has sawdust in it. It has other crap in it, so ignore, please. It's really bad. But anyways, yeah, sorry, I was just looking upstairs at the neighbor's house. There's some creepy stuff in their window. I'll show you guys what we did. Yeah, so this part is really effing hard. That's pretty much all we did yesterday. Kind of cool floors, original flooring, kind of cool, right? No? What do you think? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Phil.
Hey guys. All right, day 2 here of this subfloor removal. Last night we tried first just by kind of pulling it up by brute force with the crowbars, and
didn't work very good.
It was a lot of work, and the reason was there's basically this floor is screwed down all over the place. These screws here were all just from this tiny little area that's maybe like 2 square feet. So it was really tough to pull it out, so we gotta basically remove the screws first. Now,
Phil, you can't wear those pants to work anymore.
What's tough about the screw removal is it's not as straightforward as it sounds because you can't really see them. They're either driven really deep into the wood or they're hidden underneath this old tile cement stuff that's left here.
So what do you do, Phil?
So, shout out to our friend Stefan who gave us the idea.
Who is also our contractor.
That too. Well, they were gonna find that out anyway.
Oh, okay.
So, what he told us to do was you could use magnets to go around and kind of just find where the screws are. And then all you do then is dig up the screw and then you use the little drill here to pull it out. And then
Your
once
favorite
the screws
tool.
are out, it is my favorite tool actually. I love this thing.
Aww.
And then once we have all the screws out, maybe not all of them, but once we have the majority of them out, going in with the crowbar and pulling it up is going to be 100 times easier.
Okay, don't jinx that. Knock on wood. I don't know if that's wood. Where's wood?
Oh, there's wood. That's wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for the tutorial.
No problem, guys.
All right, Philly, tell us what's up now. It's a little bit smoky in here, PS, because we just swept, so.
All right, so we just spent a ton of time taking up all these screws everywhere. We think we got probably not all of them, but the majority of them. So now we're going to use the circular saw here, cut a few strips around the floor to kind of cut it up into smaller pieces.
To ease the pain.
To ease the pain.
Wow. Ooh. Great cutting. Don't get that on your eyes. You're gonna go. I just want to say, the asshole who did this shit, you're an asshole. So many screws. There's like literally like 20 in like a square foot.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Come look at the
wow,
pile.
you're sweaty. Look at Phil. Turn your head so you can see the glistening. Wow, it's like a droplet. Ew.
Look at the pile.
Okay, one sec. Look at that. And that's just from this floor, and we're still pulling up some after we pull up the subfloor. We've been working on it for like literally 5 hours straight, other than when we had like Ritz crackers for like 10 minutes. Look at Phil's hair. Put your head down. Nice. Hey guys, we're gonna call it quits. We're gonna call it quits for the day because literally that's all we got done. It's literally like not happening, and we're both getting cranky. We're both getting hungry. So that's it. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys. Yeah, my face is super indented right now from the mask, but I'm just here by myself today because I had the day off. Looking like shit. Loving it, you know. Still just working away, trying to get out all these little screws. Oh, and I have a new tool that I thought I'd tell you guys about. It's a toothbrush. Very good for dusting the screws before you unscrew them. So yeah, get one of those if you're doing what I'm doing today. Just a little update for you guys. My hair still looks like shit. If I go outside, people are gonna be like, what's wrong with this girl? And I'm gonna say, I don't know. Another thing is I'm listening to Pink right now because I just put on a random playlist. So I haven't listened to Pink since I was like 13, so that's cool. I'll show you guys all the progress I've done. I'm gonna eat some pistachios soon, too. Woo! About, what was it, like 3 hours ago? I was around here, and now I'm here. 3 hours. Okay, I did get up a few times to go pee and stretch my legs, but still, 3 hours. It is now night, and Phil just put up the tarp because we're gonna do some sawing and take up that area that I worked so hard on today. Right, Phil?
Right.
You're taping us in.
Yeah, I know. Well, I have to do it somehow.
We just woke up. First night sleeping in our new house.
Woo!
And yes, Phil sleeps in his winter coat.
Yep, too cold.
Actually, no, he just went out to get bagels.
Bagels.
Everyone says I say bagels weird.
Bagel.
Bagel, that's what I just said. Say it.
Bagel.
Bagel.
Yeah, that's better.
That's what I said. That's what I've been saying this whole time. So we have the contractor starting on Tuesday, which is really exciting. Did you just fart?
No, it was the floor crack.
Oh, it was the floor. Anyways, I want to show you guys our duvet cover. It's fresh linen from West Elm. So soft. Best sleep of my life with this duvet.
Just gearing up for the day in our messy, whatever. There's Phil getting ready.
My favorite piece of equipment.
Wow, is that how you're gonna wear it today?
I'm gonna wear it like this.
That's how you were wearing it all day yesterday.
Protection.
Oh, his goggles are going on.
These I like.
Wow, you look cool.
And then I got my gloves that are now full of holes.
You're so exciting this morning. We had to halt all work for the last couple hours because we got a security system. You want to give us a little tutorial?
Yeah, sure. So here's our security system. And this is the panel. It's pretty cool, looking high-tech looking. Oh, look, it takes pictures.
Show 'em the one of us.
This is Nicole.
Look
setting
how
it up for the
happy I
first
am.
time.
And the guy was very cool. Shout out to Don.
Don,
Our boy Don. Our boy Don.
And then it tells you the weather, all this cool stuff.
Wow.
Oh, look, there's going to be light snow on Tuesday.
Oh, really?
Would you look at that?
You gonna go snowboarding?
No.
You gonna go skiing?
No.
You gonna go play some shinny?
No.
Anything else you want to tell us about the system?
Do you want our passcode?
That's it. And now we're getting back to work on the floors. I'm just hacking away still over here, doing all this. So I just have this little section left. Phil's unscrewing the screws over here.
Nope.
And then we can start ripping up the floor.
All right, Miss Nicole. Working real hard over here.
It's very exciting. I have just this little section left.
Wow.
And I developed a new technique.
Oh.
If you would wish to see it.
Yes, I would wish to see it.
Okay. So, magnet. Yada yada. Oh, right there. Do you see? Oh, maybe I don't see it.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Where'd
it go? It's
oh,
gone.
It's coming from up here. Okay, now I see it. So now I use my toothbrush, this little guy right here, and I just get in there like an archaeologist.
Wow.
And then I go with the 5-in-1. Then I archaeologist out again. And there we go. About 5 days worth of work. Well, not 5 days worth of work, but it took 5 days to get the tile up and plus all this stuff. Da 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 da. And ta-da!
The kitchen screws are not in this too, by the way.
Yeah, so it was like triple that.
This is just the hallway.
Yeah, which is insane. Like,
this
why?
is so unnecessary. I don't know anything about construction and whatnot, but I think they just went a little bit overboard on it.
Yeah, I think they were drunk. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. So now we're on our lunch break. We're gonna have some quinoa with like some other vegetables in it. I can't really remember what I put in it now, but it's gonna be good. You guys like our hair? Show them your hair.
You got all that dust.
Look at my dust.
I got the silver fox look going on.
You look like the old granddaddy.
I look like George Clooney.
Yeah. Aww. You're so cute.
I'm hungry.
Me too. So that's our lunch. How is it? And now Phil is ripping it up. You want to give him a little action shot inside the closet?
This
Or
one's tough. We missed some screws in here.
Okay, well here, come out and do one of these floors for them. Oh, that's Phil for you, not listening to his wife. Okay, this is boring for them to watch. Nothing's happening. Do this floor. Just for the video. Oh, wow, look how easy that was. Whoa! Good job, cowboy. Hey.
What?
Hey. Hate to see you go, but love to watch you walk away.
What's going on over here?
Now, we got up all the second subfloor. I'm removing this beautiful tile. I don't know what it is. I think it's like plastic or some shit. That's what it looks like. But I think it's pretty cute. But it was so damaged we couldn't really save it, so. And I also ordered all the other tile that we're gonna use already. At first, when I was really tired last night, I was just going like this, getting off pieces, like that. Of course, these ones are coming off nicer. But there's some that are glued down. And then I'm like, you know what? I can just go like this.
Wow.
Way faster. So I think that's gonna be my new method for the
That-
rest of this floor.
That seems a lot faster.
Yeah, I can't see shit, it's foggy. So we're on the phone now with our little neighbor Irvin. So cute. We're giving him a little tour.
That's a garden back there. And a little shed.
Oh, that's good. That's nice.
It's cool, eh?
That's quite big.
Are you gonna come over?
That's nice, big one.
And then the kitchen. So we got it all done. Well, except for this little like part here. It's like freaking glued down or something. Super annoying. There's all the floor. We ripped it all up. And then look at this. We have beautiful hardwood all throughout here. Which is great if we knew that and hadn't bought tiles yet. Isn't this area so creepy? Like I don't even want to go over there. Another creepy hole. Give you guys a little close up. Yeah.
I'm gonna build the IKEA cupboard, like the frames.
Yeah. It's gonna look pretty cool.
Yeah, I got the one done already on top of the fridge.
He actually loves doing IKEA furniture.
I love it.
Remember your posture. Straighter back, please. And what am I gonna do, you may ask? What I'm going to do is attempt to clean the dust. Should probably clean my hair, but it's just gonna get even worse, so whatever. And then if that all goes good and we don't run into any problems, then I'll go back to painting downstairs. I'm sleepy. I'm trying to see what I look like while I'm sleeping. My slightly opening one eye.
Who are you, Nico's mom?
Shout out to our boy Nico, whose mom asked him to take a pic of him on the subway while she was fake sleeping to see what she looked like while she was sleeping. Shout out. Dinner break now. Now we're eating some pizza. Check it out. So good. What do you rate it?
It's pretty good. Probably give it an 8.
Wow, nice.
What about you?
I would probably give it an 8 too. It's not, you know, the finest ingredients. I think it would elevate it if they had more organic ingredients on it.
What?
Do you want to do an ASMR?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just wanted to give you guys an update. What I am doing now is I am painting this room. Whoa! And I just ate pizza, so I shouldn't have done that because now I feel sick. So that's what I'm doing while Phil's putting together the IKEA stuff. And I'm in the basement, so it's very scary down here. This is our kitchen. I don't know if you can see it. Those chairs are where we're eating our lunch and our dinner. Great makeshift kitchen. If you ever need to redo your house, get this set up. I recommend it.
All right. Now it's nighttime. We're still working.
Yep.
So this is the extra room in the basement.
Yes, I already explained.
Oh,
I think. I don't remember.
well,
Okay, guys, let me teach you about form. Start at the top, roll down to the bottom. I know on like home improvement shows, they show you, oh, do the W. But I work in the film industry. And this is how we were taught to do it. And you have to keep your back straight, like mine.
wow, look at that
So
back.
Phil would be horrible at this.
I
This is
would
the
be
worst
bent
posture.
right over, looking like a garden gnome.
But you're gonna say a garbage can.
Yeah, that too. All right,
Okay,
thanks
so
for
yeah.
the technique tips.
No
I'll
problem.
make sure to.
Trying to save people's backs one day at a time.
So hello, as you can see, we're not, whoa, you looked crazy there. As you guys can see, we are not in the house, we are in the car, and we forgot to say back, oh my God, you just almost switched the lane when there was a car coming. We're heading home now, well, it's our second home back to Toronto. We had a great day doing it. We got a lot done, right? We got a lot done.
Yeah, we did.
I don't know if it was a great day. We were both very cranky by the end of it. That's why we had to end it, and we didn't take a video. So this is just us saying goodbye. And until next time, hopefully when we have nicer hair.